coming back. You saw that. These do put up a stench that's kind of bad. Got him. I decided to plant it in an area where I keep my compost pile. Matter of fact, there's the compost pile. I just moved it. And so this dirt should be pretty good because of that. Unfortunately, I didn't find a lot of worms when I was doing this, so I think I see a worm right there. Nope, that's just a potato bug. Okay, let's get it transplanted. See how it does. I've had luck with pumpkins in the past, and I even grew one close to this area before. You can see I have quite a bit of root growth there, so well, I have my second single seed challenge pumpkin. This is a different variety. It's a big box. And it's not off as to as good a start. It's yellowish, and I don't think that's a normal color for this. I'm going to get it transplanted. I have some mushroom compost I'm going to add. See the yellow pretty well. It's pretty wet. That could be part of the problem. I really don't want it too wet. It might be too wet there. I'm just going to grab a pinch of these and sprinkle them around. Little balls of happiness for the plant. They have to eat too. They like sunlight, they like water, they like food, just like humans. I have some cauliflower I'm going to harvest. I don't think I grabbed the right tool for this. Harvesting my cauliflower here with my trusty Fisker lopper. Guess I'll harvest them all. finally. Some of those with my dinner tonight. Okay. Wow, I smelled it. Okay, now I have my zucchini I'm gonna transplant. This is my wife's garden, so I'm just kind of stealing this little area in front of the fence. She didn't agree to this, so I hope she's not gonna have a problem. I'm gonna see if I can get them in this area between the brick and the fence. Sometimes you have to be creative when you're trying to garden. You have to be creative when you're finding spaces. Wow, look at that. The wind doesn't blow them before I get to them. Decent amount of root there. I'm going to plant them kind of deep since they're so long and spindly. Okay, not too bad. Now these can be pretty big plants, so I want to give them a little bit of space. It'll be crowded, but I'll go with that. Okay. This one's got quite a bit of root. I don't think I want this one as deep. Four more to plant. I don't know, this can be tough. I have some more room over there I'll try to use. Okay. Let's see here. Uh-oh, fire ant mound too, right by my place where I need to plant it. Not good, not ideal. Okay. Yep, fire ants, uh-oh. Dang it. Whoa. Chose a spot in her garden, so I might have a problem when she finds out. But I'm hoping if I choose the right spot, she won't mind. God dang it. Whoops. Not the way I wanted that to go. Okay. This one has two in it. I planted a seed, it didn't come up. And so I tried another one and then the other seed came up. And on top of that, I just dropped it. Okay, good. Moral of this story, things don't always go the way you plan them. You just have to adapt. I think that's a big part of my gardening plan, is always adapting to things I'm dealing with. Kind of like my life. There's another one. Put a seed in, it wasn't really popping up the way I thought it would. There was others that had already popped up, and so I left a lot of root behind on that one. You can see them in see that? That's a lot of root. I wish I would have been able to save that. Again, they're not going as well as I would hope, so. This is going to be a pretty packed area. Oh wow, look at that. And of course you always get to see nature. Little June beetle. These are edible. People fry them up and eat them. Not this person, but some people do. And here's another one, 2 seeds. Maybe I need to be more patient with my seeds. Especially zucchini. Zucchini take a while. I need to water them and put some fertilizer on them. The fertilizer I'm going to use is just plain old Osmocote. Pretty simple, basic fertilizer you can buy at your average garden center. Osmocote, and get them watered. Always water every time I transplant. Go with that. So, see how my zucchini do. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Whoa. Here's the fertilizer I'm using, Osmocote. It's a safe fertilizer to use because it's time release. It doesn't absorb into the soil all at once. Lots, a little bit of root there. Not too bad. They don't like the cold either. They like it just right. So. I'm getting ready to transplant my sunflowers. I have a Tithonia, Mexican sunflower, Fun in the Sun blend. Those are burpee seeds. And here is a firecatcher. I'm going to be planting them right over here in this area. So let me... They're hungry. I got some flowers. Not just your average run-of-the-mill sunflower. They're very colorful. They have a really unique design. And finally, my Tithonia. I'm trying to put it more like in the middle here. The life of the Tithonia is quite long. They will last a very long time. Structurally, they have problems because they just get so big. They have a hard time holding themselves up. This is what I've seen. Okay, they need it. A little bit goes a long way. You don't want to over fertilize ever. Going to plant these burpee garden bean bush blue lake green beans. I love these. They don't require a pole or any type of complicated system like that. You just plant them in the garden, they grow, and you pick the beans a month or two later. Sweet, tasty beans. Pretty good, they look pretty green. I want to plant all of them. I think I should have enough. Oil. I just use my hand. Cover them with the dry. A little more for this one. There. And with beans, they pop up pretty quickly. So within a few days, I should have some beans sprouting here. Thanks for watching.